In the classroom, sunlight streams through the windows as Ethan begins. I'm actually kind of excited about this field trip. I've always thought lawyers were pretty cool. Leo scoffs dismissively. Cool? Seriously? All they do is argue and make a ton of money. Malik chimes in with a yawn. Yeah, I don't know, man. Seems kind of boring to me. All that paperwork. Olivia interjects with conviction. I think it could be interesting. My aunt is a lawyer and she says it's really challenging and rewarding. Ella expresses her worries. I just hope they don't grill us with a bunch of legal jargon. I wouldn't understand a thing. The students arrive at the foot of the towering law office building, its modern architecture a symbol of both promise and power. A mix of excitement and nervousness fills the air as they prepare to step inside. The students step into Dr. Lawrence's office, a space brimming with books and family photos. Dr. Lawrence, a friendly lawyer, welcomes them warmly. Hello everyone, welcome to my office. I'm Dr. Lawrence and am thrilled to have you all here today. Sunlight pours into Dr. Lawrence's office, casting a warm glow on the aged law books and framed accolades. Dr. Lawrence leans forward, a gentle smile gracing his lips as he begins to share. Becoming a lawyer wasn't easy. He pauses, reflecting on the journey. But the rewards, the feeling of helping someone navigate a difficult situation, of fighting for justice, that's what made it all worthwhile. His eyes gleam with conviction as he recalls a pivotal moment. I remember one case early in my career. It taught me the importance of ethics. He emphasizes the core values of his profession. Critical thinking is paramount, and communication. You need to be able to articulate your arguments clearly and persuasively. Eager students gather around Dr. Lawrence, their faces alight with curiosity and respect. Sunlight bathes the room as the students fire questions. Dr. Lawrence, what was the most challenging case you ever worked on? And what are your views on justice, sir? Another student asks, seeking wisdom. How do you think law impacts society as a whole? A third student inquires, prompting deeper thought. Dr. Lawrence leans back in his chair, a thoughtful expression deepening as he prepares to answer. Those are all excellent questions. Let's delve into the complexities. Dr. Lawrence guides the students into the law library. The students observe the rows and rows of towering shelves. Dr. Lawrence explains. Lawyers use legal research tools and resources to build their cases. In the hushed law library, Dr. Lawrence stands tall, a formidable tower of legal books before him, ready to impart his knowledge to the eager minds of his students. His voice, a beacon of authority, cuts through the silence, stressing the virtues of precision and vigilance in the pursuit of justice. He presents a challenge to his students, a brief exercise designed to test their mettle in the labyrinthine world of legal research. The students step into the courtroom, the formal atmosphere instantly palpable. Dr. Lawrence gestures expansively, his voice echoing in the grand space. Today, we'll observe the roles of the judge, lawyers, and jury in action. In the solemn courtroom, Dr. Lawrence stands at the witness stand, his glasses glinting as he prepares to revisit a pivotal case. With deliberate gestures, he lays out the battle lines. The prosecution argued that the evidence was irrefutable, a clear chain of custody linking the defendant to the crime. However, the defense meticulously dissected each piece of evidence, raising doubts about its reliability and challenging the motives of key witnesses. Ultimately, the judge ruled in favor of the defense, citing a lack of conclusive proof and emphasizing the fundamental principle of due process. This case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of a fair trial, where every individual, regardless of the accusations against them, is afforded the right to a rigorous and impartial examination of the facts. In the solemn atmosphere of the courtroom, Dr. Lawrence stands before the aspiring lawyers, ready to impart his wisdom. The legal system, at its core, is adversarial. It's a battle of wits, evidence, and persuasion. He emphasizes, your job isn't just to present facts, it's to advocate for your client, to build a compelling narrative that sways the judge and jury. He cautions, however, never forget the ethical boundaries. Persuasion should not come at the expense of truth or justice. Dr. Lawrence guides the eager students into the formal judge's chambers. A warm smile spreads across the judge's face as she welcomes the students. Welcome, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here, the judge declares with genuine enthusiasm. I'm happy to share my experiences and insights about the legal profession with you all. Sunlight fills the judge's chambers, dust swirling in the golden light as the judge addresses his attentive audience. He reflects deeply on the weight of his office. The challenges are many, it's a heavy responsibility. Ella asks, questioning the very essence of fairness, "What does impartiality really mean in practice, Your Honor?" The judge answers solemnly, "It means setting aside personal biases, even when it's difficult." Another student inquires about the judiciary's purpose. And the role of the judiciary? The judge concludes with conviction. We are the guardians of the law. We protect the rights of the individual. Sunlight bathes Dr. Lawrence's office, illuminating the students lost in thought. The students reflect on what they have learned. Their voices blend. They discuss their impressions of the legal profession and how their perspectives have changed. Dr. Lawrence stands before his students, his posture radiating a gentle encouragement that fills the room. I encourage you to consider careers in law, regardless of your backgrounds or interests, Dr. Lawrence advises, his voice resonating with conviction. His gaze sweeps across the room as he stresses, diversity and inclusion are paramount in the legal profession. Sunlight streams into Dr. Lawrence's office, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. He gestures towards a stack of resources. I've gathered some resources here that you might find useful for further learning. Please, take what interests you. And please, stay in touch. Let me know how your journeys unfold. I sincerely hope your visit here has inspired you, even in some small way, to pursue your dreams with unwavering passion. The law office building releases a surge of students into the daylight, each face glowing with inspiration. United, they gather in the open air, their voices weaving a tapestry of dreams and aspirations. The promise of legal careers ignites their spirits as they share bold visions of the future.